Hey guys, I'm Indrani Nandi, creator of this channel. Thank you for watching Heavenly Feeling this far. I am studying hotel management in Kolkata. I also live in Kolkata and I also runs a bakery from my home that also Heavenly Feeling. If you live in Kolkata and also wants to taste my cake, then I would love to make all of you the cake you want. The customized cake I generally make. So I would love to serve you guys. Okay, so those things apart, today's video's topic is I'm going to visit my aunt's house and I'm gonna make spicy chili chicken noodle for all of us. Though it's not going to be spicy enough for people like me who love spicy, because there are some people who can't eat spicy, so it's generally an optional thing, but I like to say it as a spicy chili chicken noodle, so please stay with me. Okay, so I've reached at my aunt's home, so I'll make today's spicy chili chicken noodle. So I hope you guys will like it. So let's go. So guys, here we are. So first we will wash these vegetables and cut it. So here are some beans, carrots, onion and capsicum. As you can see, I have put more capsicum in it because I like capsicum. So it's up to you which veggies you gonna add more or less. It's totally up to you. I have washed the vegetables, so I'm gonna show you the cutting right now. So guys, now we are going to boil the noodles. So we have taken 100 grams of chicken, so we are going to marinate with some salt and pepper seasoning. So here's some pepper. Some salt and corn flour. So we are going to mix it and we'll marinate it for 10 to 15 minutes. So now we are going to fry the chicken pieces. So I'm putting some oil. Fried chicken looking like this, okay? And I forgot to mention it, sorry guys. So I'm gonna add some chopped garlic over here, which will enhance the flavor. After that, we are going to add the cutted veggies. First, the carrots, then the onions. Now we are going to add capsicums. So lastly we are going to add beef. So guys, veggies are done. So now we are going to add the sauce and the chicken all together. So we'll take a small bowl and put some corn flour in it. Then soya sauce. Then tomato sauce, little bit of vinegar to mix it with a spoon. Actually for this recipe there is no proper quantity. It's up to you what more you want, what less you want. So I'm not going to share any kind of measurement for it because it's as per the taste, as per the personal choice. First the chickens, and there's one thing I haven't say about it, that is chili, because most people like chili or not chili. I know it's a spicy chili chicken noodle, but that doesn't mean no one can eat it because it's spicy. So we can adjust the spicy as we want. So as I like spicy, so I'm going to add chili at this point. So along with it, we are going to add the sauce. So guys, this is the time we are going to add the noodles. At this point, we are going to control the seasoning. So guys, you have to mix it well so that all the sauce will all over the noodles. So guys, our noodle is ready. So this time we will add the seasoning. Before adding the seasonings, you can taste it. I'm gonna add little bit of salt, pepper, and mix it. So now our spicy chili chicken noodle is ready, guys. So guys, here's a plating of spicy chili chicken noodle. I know it's not up to the hotel management student style, I know, but right now I'm not in the mood to eat it like a 5-star restaurant. So sorry. So I'm going to put it like this. Just make sure the chicken pieces are on the top. We are here at the end of the video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on the Instagram. Until next video, please enjoy your life. So bye guys.